Most people use Google as a default search engine in Chrome, but did you know you are not limited to just that? Chrome actually gives you the freedom to switch to a completely different search engine. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. Alright, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You will see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Inside Settings, find and click on Search Engine from the left-hand panel. Right here, you can see that Google is currently set as the default search engine. If you want to switch to something different, simply click Change button next to it. A dialog box will pop up, showing you a list of available search engines to choose from. From here, you can select whichever one you want to be your new default. For example, let us say I want to use Bing as my default search engine. I will select it from the list, then click on this Set as Default button. And just like that, a notification will appear confirming that Microsoft Bing is now your default search engine. So, the next time you open a new tab, you will land on Bing's homepage, and any search you run will pull results from Bing. You can also switch to Yahoo if you prefer. The process is exactly the same. Select Yahoo from the list and set it as your default. Now, when you open a new tab, Yahoo's search page will come up instead. And of course, if you ever want to go back to Google, just head back into the same settings, select Google, and click Set as Default. From here, all your searches will go through Google once again. So, that is how you can change your default search engine in Google Chrome.